In the first video we took a look at this code and we implemented an interface in this class and that class. But when this class and that class are being generated by a tool, then you can't implement that interface in that class. So one way to work around it is by extending the class, extends this class, extends that class, and implement the interface. So this way you can, instead of creating a new this class, I can create a new this class wrapper. And I can use the printable interface here. Same for that class. Let me see, why is it not working in this case? So, there it is. And now we have removed the duplicate method. Another way, so just make a wrapper. This is just a wrapper class that implements the method. The method calls the super, so it calls this class and then the print name. And this way, the new wrapper class completes the interface and we can keep on working like we did before.